Are you struggling to attract the right audience? Keyword research is essential for online success. It helps you understand what your audience searches for. Today, we'll explore tools and techniques that simplify keyword research. First, identify your niche. What topics are you passionate about? Choose relevant categories. Next, brainstorm seed keywords. These are initial words related to your niche. Now, it's time to explore keyword tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner offer insights into search volume. Another great option is Ubersuggest. It provides keyword suggestions and competition analysis. SEMrush is also powerful. It uncovers keywords used by your competitors. Don't forget about Answer the Public. It visualizes questions people ask about your topic. Next, analyze keyword difficulty. Focus on keywords that have lower competition. Long-tail keywords are your friends. They consist of 3 or more words. They usually have lower competition and higher intent. Create a spreadsheet to organize keywords. Include search volume, competition, and relevancy. Regularly update your keyword list. Trends change over time, and so must your strategy. To see keyword performance, use Google Analytics. It helps track which keywords bring traffic. In summary, keyword research is crucial. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, SEMrush, and Answer the Public. Focus on long-tail keywords to improve your chances. Organize and monitor your list regularly. Ready to dive in? Start today and enhance your online presence. Subscribe for more tips.